Rani, you have a last memory.
I think I've said this several times in my interviews. Thank you, Shah Rukh, for teaching me how to romance on screen. There's nobody.
Can you praise my tight t-shirts?
No. No. I just love your heart. I think Shah Rukh has
And
immense
we could see it
love.
very clearly in the tight t-shirt.
Yes.
With my nipples.
So I don't think there's anybody who can romance like Shah Rukh on screen, and I feel very blessed and lucky to have been one of his heroines who he's loved, because when Shah Rukh loves, I don't think there's anybody who loves like Shah Rukh. So thank you, Shah Rukh, for being so lovely. And I do remember...
Blush!
I do remember when we shot for the song in Scotland. I don't know whether you remember the Shah Rukh, but because it was my first romantic film, there were shots where Shah Rukh was supposed to kiss me on the cheek, and I remember shifting my weight to the other side because I was so young and I was so naive, I guess. I don't know.
She was 17 years old when she shot Kuch Kuch Hota
When
Hai.
I shot
19.
Kuch Kuch- 17.
17?
17.
Oh, God.
So...
I didn't know that.
So thank you, Shah Rukh, for making me feel so loved and teaching me actually how it is to romance on screen. So thank you so much. I couldn't have it better in my career than to have Shah Rukh Khan romance me and teach me how to romance. So thank you.
And two people I suggested Rani to. One was Karan, and she became the Dharma heroine. One was Adi, who married her. So my recommendation.
You've done very well. You've done very well.
100%
You've done very well.
And of course, Kajal Didi, thank you for always helping me at times when I got stuck. And I do remember those days. Yes, you did. I think you forgot.
Kajal helped you when?
I don't remember that.
No,
What
you
I
do
I
remember.
also don't remember when she helped you.
I do
just shut
remember.
up now, let me
Since
talk
it's
now
20
for
years of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, I have to say these things.
Yeah. So let me just tell you something about Rani. Since we're on this stage, I have to say that the one thing that she never asked for was help. She came, she stood in front of all of us, in front of a Shah Rukh Khan, in front of me, in front of Karan, never showed, yes, she may have been nervous off screen, but never showed that on screen. Stood over there, gave her shot like a star, wore the shortest skirts like a star, walked across, walked across the whole of that mind-blowing college that nobody ever knew existed before Karan Johar showed us on screen.
It was not a college, but...
Whatever it was, now shut up. It was on checkered floor or whatever. But she walked very beautifully along that corridor in high speed. May I just tell you that it's very difficult to walk in high speed in such high heels in a short skirt. So, awesome.
And I love you, Kajal Didi. I love you, Shah. And Karan, I don't need to tell you how much I love you.
And it's all about loving each other. And now that we have finished telling each other how much we love each other, I just want to thank everyone here.
And yes, of course, Tina. Thank you for not doing the film. I love you.
Tina will always be.
Tina eight heroines who said no to the film. So thank you.
Tina is omnipresent in the journey of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. She has been really right through.
And ironically, Tina became my very close friend in the times to come. So I think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai actually have made a huge family. And Gaurima, I have to tell you, in Mauritius, Abram was 1 year old. Aryan was 1 year old. And I used to play with him in the lobby with him and the nanny.
You played?
Aryan was born.
Aryan was born during Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Aryan was born exactly after Koi Mil Gaya finished shooting.
Yes.
We finished on the 10th of November. He was born on the 12th.
Yeah, and I remember going down and playing with Aryan in my arms. And I think Shah Rukh, I've played with both your kids and now with Abram as well. So
मैं बहुत बच्चे कर रहा हूँ, मैं करता
exactly.
रहूँ।
That's one thing I have to say about you. You produce very good-looking children.
Yeah. Well done. Genetic power.
And I love you, Gaurima, as well.
Thank you.
Gauri, you're taking the credit for this one.
But Gauri, you actually thought that we would be thanking you today on this mail. What have you got to do with this?
No, I think Gauri was very, very instrumental.
The only thing Gauri did is she kept Aryan in till that first schedule finished. I was like, please don't deliver. My schedule will go for a toss. That was the one thing that I kept praying for.
No, but Gauri's always been an encouragement all the time. So thank you, Gaurima, for being there always for us.
Yay. All right. Thank you, Rani. Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you, Kajal. And thank you to everyone present from Dharma Productions. Thank you. And I have to say that, like, right now, things are so different for us at Dharma than they were. And I have to thank Apurva for that. He's really structured the new enterprise in such a majestic and an organized fashion. And all the directors and the producers and EPs, members of the team, my marketing team that has worked so diligently on this, to Alpa and Tejasvi and Sid, who heads the department. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you to Nilofer, who actually has been like a silent force right through the process, to Garima.